So, round two of the pump rebuild. Hope to get the prop off and get it sent to Small Business Technology so you have to send in your old prop to get a new prop, which is cool. It has a little bit of damage. But I'm sure with everything else in this JON build, it'll be a hassle and a pain, but I hope you enjoy. Alright everybody, round two. Hopefully I'll be able to knock this out. Going to try to take this prop off so I can rebuild this. I got new bearings in this. I don't know what this housing is called. This is the impeller, of course, but my most expensive tool. I'm down here in our little shop. We have a part-time mechanic. He keeps the equipment running as best he can. Looks like he's got a big project here working on the mower. No doubt he's got bearing problems too. So what he has is a beautiful breaker bar and this vise, which I desperately needed to do this job, and hopefully it's pretty solid. It's kind of a cool stand they got on, a bit of oak or something there. I'm a little bit like a bowl in a china shop. Things seem to break around me. So, let's see, lefty loosey. Oh, there, that's right. Ah, I got it. It's always good to have the right tool, huh? Mama said, knock you out. I'm going to knock you out. And that should be it. Pretty sweet. Boy, I don't know what that is in there. Looks like spiders or something. I'll clean it up before I send it out. The reason I'm sending it out, hopefully you guys can see how it's chipped and worn, and probably a pebble or something got in there. And it's pretty much pretty good condition other than that. Getting pretty nasty out there. Supposed to have thunderstorms in a couple of hours. So, now what? I thought this was all supposed to come apart after you took the prop off. That's pretty rotten. Maybe you guys can come a little closer. There's a little O-ring. Ow! Oh, there we are. Some sort of spacer. Yeah, just a spacer. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's pretty corroded in there. Let's try a rubber mallet. Oh, there we go. Or maybe not. I must be doing something wrong. Oh shit, that's probably been it all along. Ah, there we go. So they're supposed to come out this side, and you can see they put a freaking spacer in there, or whatever they call that, and the bearing is so seized up. I don't know how I'm going to get it out. WD. an O-ring out. Another O-ring. I know I have new bearings, and I know it came with a bunch of O-rings, so I was right. You do pound it through this side with a whatever you call these things, punch, but it must just be solid in there. Oh, no, that didn't do anything. Yeah, it's not budging. It is corroded something fierce in there. Well, I guess the only thing I can do is let it soak, I guess. No, I can't do it that way because there should be a shelf in there. I brought the book. Yeah. This is the only way I can do it. Polaris book. It's pretty good. I mean, it tells you everything. As you can see, I got the hammer and the punch. So, I'll hit it with a little more WD. And I guess I'll go have a cup of coffee. Let it work, right? Okay, so this is the next day. Sounds like possibly Boss Man's upstairs, but for the most part everybody else is left. And wow, I pounded on it and it moved, so I fired this up. It's a bit of good news. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So I got that one out. Yeah. There's the little shim. Or whatever you call them. Yeah. This is the next day. Yesterday a storm rolled in. I just kind of hung out. The old camper. Had to do laundry today. Today's Sunday. Father's Day, I guess. It's laundry day. One wasted bearing. success. Yeah. Success short-lived. Well, damn it. Seems to be a plastic covering here, which I don't see in the book. So these are oil seals, and they are ruined. There's supposed to be 2 of them here, and that's where I brought out this bit that I didn't know what it was, and that was a part of the seal. So, looks like I'm going to have to try to find those replacements. I don't know how important they are. They're ruined. Positively ruined. So I might as well just dig them out. Ooh. This will be a while. All right. Got it. Yeah. It's pretty grody in there. I'm going to take time and clean it up a little bit. I brought down some tools. Oh, great, it won't fit. Well, maybe I won't. Guess it's time to go to Harbor Freight. I don't know. Well, anyhow, finally a success story. The shaft looks good, has a little bit of burn mark on it, but I don't know if it is a burn mark or what it is, but it's still smooth. It's just a little decoloration. And oh! I got the replacement kit. And sure enough, can you see in there? It has those oil seals and all the little O-rings and necessary. So I am good to go. I was afraid I was going to end up having to hunt that down on the internet. Alright, so I guess it was a bit boring, but if you ever think of doing anything like this, this is what you can expect, I guess. Hopefully, take a lesson from my agony and get a jet ski that runs. Oh, jeez. I'm having fun. Can't complain. Not complaining. Too many people complain today. Hope you enjoyed the show. Let's see, what's next? I'm pretty sure it'll be making the decking for the boat. I was going to get Kusa board, but what I saw is $110 6 months ago is now $357 a sheet. So that would be $800 to do the decking. Well, forget about it. I'll make my own. So tune in to see how I managed to do my own. And by the way, using aluminium, it's basically the same price. That stuff has gone through the roof too. So I'm going to make it out of plywood and my own. I'll put some glass on it, but you'll see. Stay tuned. Later.